Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change frame size in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe Premiere Pro and you want to change the frame size. So the first step you simply need to go and click on sequence. So here you can see that there is no option of first you simply need to drag a video in the timeline. Okay, and I want to change the that is frame size. So you simply need to let me move it down. So you simply need to click on here first, and then you need to click on sequence, and then you need to click on sequence setting, and here you can see the frame size. So I want to convert it to the TikTok size. So 1080 into 9020, and here you need to click on OK and click on OK again. So here you can see that it is converted into the TikTok size, and you can make it like this. So you can move that as well like this. So this is a process by which you can change frame size in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.